All right, everybody, we're back with another video today. So today what we'll be doing is installing our APR intake. And this will be for the MK6 GTI. I will be running it here shortly for the car. I really want to see how it would just like support it and make the turbo sound a lot better. So I will be doing a review video as well as a week from now video. So stay tuned while I install this and we'll do a quick test drive with it. All right, everybody, it's most definitely a different day since I had to get this installed. Basically, the way you get it installed is I used T20. It has one right here, one right here. Then there was something holding this part in right there from the stock airbox. That's set in place like this. Ended up taking all of that off. Had to make my own, basically like piping for it. So then I ended up getting the carbon filter, well, carbon fiber piping as well. That actually plugs all the way to the back of the turbo right here. So yeah, this thing sounds amazing. I didn't get to drive it just yet. I turned it on to hear how it sounds, and it sounds amazing. So let me get the car started so you have a good sound of how it sounds, and I'll be doing a test drive. So you got to hear how it sounded. Sounds amazing on my end. Let's take it out for a spin to hear it, how it actually sounds, to see if like we get those turbo noises or what do we get exactly from this APR carbon fiber setup. All right, let's hit the road. And to continue on with the video from the GTI APR cold air intake video, basically with the Miata, I had basically taking everything apart. So I took the intake out. I'll be taking I already took the headers out. My next planned build is just keeping the 1.6 and doing a turbo swap to it. With the turbo swap, I found one really good at CX Racing. It's a good price. I have to mark an ECU for it, but I figured out what I wanted to do. Keeping the 1.6, I'm keeping it net, I'd say pure. We're chasing after the purity of the Miata. Another thing I do want to show you is I'm redoing the whole interior. So I took all the seats out. I want to put some bucket seats that adjust. So adjusting bucket seats. Want to do the foam padding as well as custom carpeting for the Miata. Then paint all of this here, buy a hardtop for it. Then I'm replacing that trunk. It has wing holes and it's just ugly. So that's what I'm doing so far. I'm just saving money up right now. So build is slowly but surely coming together. We'll buy an aftermarket gauge, cluster gauge, just because of the fact of if I go turbo and if I were to track it, I just would like the aftermarket digital gauge. But I did get another thing for the Miata that is exciting. The Miata has new shoes. We got rid of those nasty black ones. Got new shoes for it. I enjoy these. These actually have great tires on them. This just looks amazing all around with the Miata. This fits the Miata. This was the wheel I was looking for. It's white. It goes with the baby blue. I have no complaints about it. So it's so flush. If I were to put spacers on there, it would just throw off the whole car. I still have those spacers, but man, this sits so flush right here. I enjoy these wheels. But back to it, this is just a little update, taking everything apart. Got the intake as well as the fuel rail system out. Got the headers out. So what's left to do is buy the CX Racing Kit turbo kit, and we're just done. We're good. We're gonna install it. We're gonna throw aftermarket ECU. Need a new wiring harness. Still working on that. Other than that, this is just a small update with the Miata. Hopefully you enjoyed the APR intake with the GTI. Sorry, it's been a month since I've uploaded. I've been working a lot more lately, but there should be more videos to come. Sorry, but we're at 83 subscribers. Like I said, once we hit that 100 subscriber mark, I'm giving away a free hoodie or a BC Build sticker that you can find on streamlabs.com/BC Builds. All right, everybody. It was nice talking to you guys. Nice chatting about the Miata. And hopefully you like the APR cold air intake. Hopefully next week we get to go to a meet and check out some cool cars. If I am at the meet, check me out at Twitch for BC Builds. I'll be doing a live stream there. I'll be live streaming as well on YouTube. So catch those. Tell people to watch the videos. Tell people to like, share, and subscribe, as well as comment on what your favorite video is. People won't know we're here unless we're liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Let's build this fan base. Let's make this a big fan base. All right, everybody, stay smooth.
This is my moment to shine. This is my time for flight. I've been grinding forever just for this very night.